All right, so this video we'll talk about your client portal or your membership page. If you have a membership page, and let's say if you are having your clients or students log in to said memberships or client portal, there's an option in their menu to allow them to see certain features and or applications inside of the client portal that we can either give them access to or not give them access to. So I'm going to show you where you can turn off certain features in here. Let's get started. I'll go to memberships here on the menu on the left, and then it instantly brings you to client portal. So we're going to click on the drop down here and then go to settings. And then here you'll see where it says app permissions. So we'll click on app permissions, and then you'll see all of the applications inside of the client portal that gives them access inside of the menu or inside of the actual menu items. And we can turn these options off. So let's say, for example, that we don't want to give them access to shared files and communities. All right, down here in the drop down, it will show you what the defaults are and what's turned on and turned off. So if I click on this drop down here, you'll see that communities is turned off. They will not be able to access that when they log in and see and look at their menu. So you'll be able to see all of these informations here as well too. So once you've selected what you want to keep, what you don't want to keep, make sure that you just click on Save Settings. That way, the changes that you make will take place and stick. All right, that's how you make those changes and updates.